Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sada UX Code. In this video, I am going to explain you about Figma alignments, how to work with alignments in the Figma application. Okay, here I have created few frames. By these frames, you can easily understand the alignments. That's why I have created these frames. Okay, one by one, I will show you. First, I am selecting this frame, align left. Okay, I have selected frame. Now here you can see the options of alignments. First I am selecting these rectangle elements. See, I have selected 4 elements. Now here we can see align left tooltip, right? If you click on this, automatically this four element should align to the left side. See how? See, previously it was there like this. When I click on align left, see, it is aligning left side automatically, right? This is clear. Align left is clear. Next we will move it to align right. Here frame 2 align right, right? Same, I am selecting all these 4 elements. Now here align right. When I select align right, this 4 will be aligned properly. Next, horizontal center. See, here I have created only one element. When I select this element and click on this horizontal center, it will, see, it will align horizontally to the frame. See, previously it was like this, right? When I select this horizontal center, it will align to center automatically, right? Next, align top. Yeah, same thing. I have selected these 3 elements. When I click on align top here, see, automatically it will align to top. Now next part, vertical center. I have selected this frame. Vertical center. Vertical center, I am selecting these two, this child and this parent element. If you have any parent element, it will, this child will align to parent, not a frame. See how? Selected both parent and child. And if I click on vertical align, it will align to the parent, not a frame. See, and if I click on a center, now it centers to the parent, this rectangle. Now next, bottom, how to align a bottom to the frame or to the parent element. Now I am selecting parent element and this child, these two child elements. When I click on this bottom, see, it is aligning to the bottom of the parent. Now next, multiple elements, distribute vertical space. Example, here I want to same alignment in between these all 4 elements. So what to do? Selecting in between, vertical space will get. See, distribute vertical spacing. See, distributed equal space to all 4 elements, and here I'm clicking on left side, so it aligning properly. See, each and every element in between, the space is distributed to equally. See, the same thing for horizontal distribution, distribute horizontal space. See, I have selected these 3, and here you can see the more space, and here you can see the less space. But if you click on this horizontal distribute space, it will align equally. Understand? See, yeah, this is the concept of alignments in the Figma. Okay, please go through this. If you like my video, please do share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.